Okay, so good afternoon, grade 8, the end of the first day of online learning. I'm sure you're all having a great time. Sorry if the video is a little blurry. We've been having a few network issues, but hopefully you can still hear me clearly. Not sure how many of you are here. Obviously I can see Lily and Robin are here, and maybe some other people will be joining later. But let me just talk you through what it is that we are doing today. So hopefully you've all found the Teamy post, which gives you the information that you need for what we're going to do today. So if we just flip to that a second, and obviously you can see it looks something like this. So today is just a nice gentle introduction. There's a couple of things to read and then a couple of quick activities to do. The first thing to do is to make sure that you have read through and bookmarked. That's number 2. You can see it says read through and bookmark the mathematics remote learning document. So it's really important that you have a little look at this. It gives you some important information, and most importantly, at the bottom of the page, it gives you your groups and your links for your Google Meets for those. So please make sure that you have read through that document by the end of this lesson, and then you have made a note of your group number, which we're going to meet in those. And everything in this document at this point, that's just to give you a little look forward. This is what we're going to do over the next 3 lessons. So have a little read through that. Probably make a save of it as well, because we are going to talk about those in more detail over the next few lessons. And then there's a couple of little activities on Khan Academy just to revise what we did in the last lesson of last term. So you can have a little go at those as well. Then, if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, there is a little schedule there for when we're going to meet in our teams. So you can see there's group 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to find your groups, you go to the remote learning document. That's number 2 in today's schedule, which you're going to have a look at, find your groups, and then we're going to meet just for 2 minutes. And that will be an opportunity for us to meet you. First of all, check in that you're here and you're present and you're engaged and so on. And if you have any questions that you want to ask, then that will be a chance just to ask questions like, where do I find this? Or I don't know what to do about that, and so on. And then I'll be there. If not, then you can just finish the 2 tasks, and that can be your last thing for today. And then you can finish your first day of online learning. So, just to clarify again, you've got the schedule. Read through and make a note of the remote learning document. Make sure you know your group number, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Make sure that you have had a quick read through the Introduction to Simultaneous Equations document. That will tell you what you're going to be studying over the next few days, and then have a go at a couple of Khan Academy links, and make sure that you meet at the correct time for the correct group 1, 2, 3, or 4, group 1 at 2:30, group 2, 2:35, group 3, 2:40, group 4, 2:45. Okay, so follow the instructions on Teamy, and I'm going to see you in your relevant Google Meets, and see you. Are you sure, Annika? Let me just check for you. Oh, some people have been deleted from the list. I'll just add them now. I've added those people in now. Okay, see you in 5 minutes, group 1. And sorry for the poor quality video today, and hopefully next time it was better this morning. Not sure why it's been so bad this afternoon. The link to the meets is in the Google document. What's wrong, Andrea? Okay, so I'm just going to share it's in the remote learning document. So if we just go up to here, Okay. If you go to today's schedule, Andrea, number 2. Okay. Number 2 on today's schedule, the MS Mathematics Remote Learning document, and you can find it in there. Okay, I will see you in 4 minutes, group 1, and then every 5 minutes after that, a new group. Let's see who's followed the instructions, and I will see you there.